Welcome back, people. Today is day 46 or 47. One of them I can't remember, but today is day 47 of me trading Forex professionally, 100% full time. I left my job to trade Forex. We actually seeing a trade forming right now on AUD card, right? We actually seen a trade forming on AUD card. I'll I'll let you know why we potentially going to take that trade and more. But let me just check what's going on in the market there right now. So let's break down why we're going to potentially take a trade on AUD card, right? On AUD card, we seen the 4 hour in an uptrend, 2 hour in an uptrend, 1 hour in an uptrend. So we see all these time frames in an uptrend. Then the 5 minute just break structure, break a high, going in an uptrend with two unfilled FVG gaps in that trend leg. So we going to place our Fibonacci, or not place our Fibonacci, but get the Fibonacci levels for this trend leg. If that candle closed without touching that FVG, then that trade is a go. If it touch the FVG, that trade is invalidated. So that's a potential trade on AUD card. We see USD. We see USD card kind of giving us a trade, but closing up that FVG. Okay. So AUD card invalidate the trade. Go for the FVG. So yeah, we're not taking that trade again. USD card, same thing. No FVGs right here. But that would be a perfect trade because 4 hour in an uptrend, 2 hour in an uptrend, 1 hour in an uptrend, 5 minute just break structure, right? All we needed was a FVG, but no FVG on USD card, so we're not taking a trade. And then AUD card feel the FVG that was there, so yeah, that trade invalidated for sure. Now I'm working on a different strategy that I not yet practiced enough to implement on the live market, but basically on these invalid trades, we just going to bet against ourselves. If you see my previous video, you probably know what I'm talking about. But like for that trade, since I know it's going to lose, instead of taking an uptrend trade, I just going to take a trade right at the middle point going down, betting that it's going to lose, right? And I could still make profit on that trade. But I not back tested enough to implement it on the live market, so that's why we're not implementing it today. That would kind of be gambling because I don't know the exact win rate. I don't know what to expect, what not to expect. So yeah, that's why I wouldn't be implementing it today. But yeah, that trade getting validated. I start recording at 10:44 because the whole of this morning I watching these six pairs, to see if I get a trade. So yeah, that's the only time a trade was potentially forming. That's why I start recording. So yeah, but that trade invalidated. Let's see if it's going to actually, like, if I take a trade going down, right? That's what I will do in the new strategy I testing out. Since I know the trade going to lose, I'm going to put my stop loss up there instead of down there, right? So I basically betting that the trade going to go against me. And then I put in my TP right there, and I go in for a 1-to-1. So the trade will enter me there, and then the take profit will be there, and then the stop loss will be there. That's for only trades that invalid. Like that trade, it invalid because on the FVG, on the close of the candle, it filled the FVG that was right there. So that's not a trade. So yeah, that's basically it. Euro JPY, the Euro JPY giving us a potential trade right there. Euro JPY, USD card. So people, we seen a potential trade forming an AUD JPY. So let's see if it actually form and if we actually could take it. So yeah, if we had entered that trade right there with the other strategy I was talking about, we would still be in the trade, right? It go down, it almost hit our take profit, then it go in a drawdown back. But we never take that trade. I just put it there to show you all an example of what I was talking about. But AUD JPY is definitely giving us a trade right now. As you can see, everything in an uptrend, and in the 5 minutes, just break structure, up then down, break that structure, with a trend leg. All we're waiting for is a down candle to form, so we could potentially take a trade on AUD JPY. And then I think that's a trade right there. And I think also AUD USD giving us a trade. Yes, AUD USD also giving us a trade. So yeah, it's these two pairs that giving us a trade right now. So let's see how it goes. It's 11:28. Almost time for us to lock off trading. We're locking off trading at 12. So let's see if we could. Oh, that's definitely not a trade. AUD USD definitely not a trade. Yeah, that's definitely not a trade. Yeah, AUD card. That's what AUD card doing. AUD card trying to give us a trade also. If it go above that high, GBP USD, USD card, all of them looking scruffy right now. So the only trade opportunity I really seen. Oh my gosh, wow, JPY trying to give us a trade too. Because everything in the uptrend and Euro JPY trying to give us a trade too. So yeah, we just there waiting patiently, guys. Let's see how this shit turns out. Ugh, fuck. But after today, I will definitely be doing more back testing on the going against myself strategy. That strategy where we enter in there and we basically reversing the trade because we know it less likely to win, so we betting that it lose. Basically, I have to do more back testing in that strategy to basically make sure everything good, so we could take it, like we could start using it in the live market. So yeah, we've seen a down candle forming. That's what we want to see. Let's check the other pairs. Okay, so yeah, we finding potential trades on either AUD JPY or Euro JPY. Either one of them trying to give us trades right now. As you can see, Euro JPY, everything is in an uptrend. 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute just break these high, no, that high and that high. So that basically telling us uptrend trades is a go. Let's see how big our stop loss would be for that trade to see if it's above 4 pips. Because if it below 4 pips, then we're not taking that bitch. Okay, so it's exactly 4 pips. So we ready for that trade. Yeah, so both of the trades valid. If that candle close and it don't hit that FVG, then that trade valid. If that candle close as a down candle and it do feel either that FVG or that FVG, then we Gucci. So yeah, anyway, I think we're going to have a trade before the day end. Okay, so that's Euro JPY. We most likely going to take, yeah, see Euro JPY giving us a trade there. Okay, so if that candle close above that high, then that means the trade invalidated. AUD JPY still going higher. So that trade still valid because it didn't create the down candle. That trade still valid. Oh fuck. It did create the down candle on my chart. So if that close above that candle, then that trade also invalid. So yeah, we were kinda in some sticky business. Euro JPY, USD card. I'm not going to lie, that low-key annoying, that these trades getting invalidated. It low-key annoying me right now. So if that candle close above that high, then that trade invalidated along with Euro GBP, Euro JPY, I mean. Yeah, it closed on top of that high, so that trade invalidated along with Euro JPY. So yeah, both of these trades invalidated. Let's see if we're going to get more trades. Okay, so people, no trades today. That trade on AUD USD got invalidated. The Euro GBP trade got invalidated. The AUD card trade got invalidated with the FVG. The FVG was failed when the trend leg was created. So yeah, that's today. No trades today. but we almost take trades today. Yeah, we trading six pairs. So the six pairs, trading six pairs, actually giving more opportunities. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, most likely we're going to get a trade.